I go to record and I was on pictures. Not the best thing, especially since I got through like half of it. Anywho, gonna grab my glass because I feel really odd without them on. Anywho, I'm just about to go to church. As you can see, I mean, I'm in the same dress, but I didn't wear it overnight, obviously. Wore my pajamas, which were comfy. Anyways, I thought I might say hello this morning, and I probably will not be recording in there because it's church, so it's not really the best area to record, although, who knows, we'll see.
No, hey Tristan! Hey Tristan! Hey Tristan! Hey Tristan! Hey! Hey Tristan!
I will record your face. No!
I don't care.
No!
Hi!
I'm recording your recording.
Oh, so fancy, yes.
Yeah. This is Tucker, and this is Tucker in his natural habitat.
I don't have a back-facing camera.
It's Tucker!
Yeah.
Wait, what's this button?
And this is Tucker. And
You
his
can take pictures.
And now it's time for Tucker in his natural habitat. And now it's.
Where do you want to go? Where do you want to go? Oh, you're gonna go into the car, are you? You're very pretty, kitty. I got. That moment you realize you're a Jacksepticeye fan at heart. I love nature so much! And that is when she knew. She up. Ooh, that must hurt. What a glorious day with the sun shining. I love it. It's so nice to relax and be happy. Oh, what are you talking about? I'm not happy at all. Life. It gets to ya. At least it's Mother's Day, and I get to do some art for her, which hopefully she will like, and hopefully I might record it, and I might just upload it. We will see. Hey Mom, hey Mom.
How much do you like it?
I love it.
Hey Mom.
Have
you ever seen So the stuff that you probably saw before now, I don't know if I'm going to go back and edit it or what I'm gonna do. I mean, you will have saw because before this, but when I went to go, sorry, my brother's behind me. So I'm trying to record, but he's not listening. Anyways, I went to go and edit it, and the audio seemed off. On my phone camera, it doesn't seem like it was, but on the audio on the computer, when I exported it, it was off. So I might just go back to the same area and re-record it, and that's gonna be what you guys will see. Or I'm just gonna deal with what it is, and then again, you'll see that.
Yeah.
So, Army of Dragons.
So guess what, guys? I kind of lied because I had to re-record stuff, and so I'm still learning the editing things on the software that I just got, which is a free software because obviously I don't have the money because, I mean, I'm still a high school student, as well as I'm trying to save up for college. So the video that I was originally planning probably won't come out till tomorrow or the day after that, but I will still put up my vlogs in general. And anyways, sorry for the inconvenience, and
Or actual words.
Like this, Sam. Words are made of Sam's.
This is complicated.
You know what it is?
Wait, so there's someone who goes, who's on? Like, I don't know what that means.
Whose team has this fucking try?
I know, it's your ball.
Oh, no, it's our ball. Courtney, who's on my team? I don't know. Summer. Are you really? Are you really on my team? No! Courtney!
Hey, stay in your chair.
Oh, that's so funny.
oh,
I find it quite interesting the things that I walk into. I don't know, but I think they're a little bit charitable, maybe?
Saying stuff now.
Why does editing have to be so much work? At least it's gonna be worth it when it's done. About halfway. Yay. Hey guys, before you ask, yes, I'm laying down because I'm actually just about to go to bed pretty soon. I've been working on the video and there's a lot that I've done already. And it actually looks really cool to me, but there's also a lot more that I know I can add, because I'm still new to a lot of this stuff. But anyways, I just thought I might let you know on the update of it, and say good night to you all, and get some good sleep, even though, I mean, I'm uploading this in the morning, but see ya.